Namaste. Hello everyone. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. We have learned so many things in our previous video. If you haven't watched my video, please do watch it. The link is given below in the description. Today, I will teach you how to form words starting from Nepali numbers. In this video, I will teach you the word formation of Nepali numbers from 1 to 20. So let's begin. 1, that is egg. A plus ka becomes egg. 2, that is duee. Du plus e becomes duee. 3, that is teen. Ti plus na becomes teen. 4, that is char. Cha plus ra becomes char. 5, that is panch. Pa plus cha becomes panch. 6, that is cha. It is same as the second line first consonant we have learned before. It is cha. 7, that is sat. Sa plus ta becomes sat. 8, that is at. A plus ta becomes at. 9, that is no. It is formed from the single consonant with vowel sound. 10, that is das. Da plus sa becomes das. 11, that is ekara. A plus kha plus ra forms ekara. 12, that is bara. Ba plus ra becomes bara. 13, that is tera. Te plus ra becomes tera. 14, that is chautha. Chau plus tha becomes chautha. 15, that is pandra. Pa plus hafna plus tha plus ra becomes pandra. 16, that is sora. So plus ra becomes sora. 17, that is satra. Sa plus tra becomes satra. 18, that is atara. A plus ta plus ra forms to make atara. 19, that is unnais. It's a little bit longer. It is formed from u plus hafna plus na plus e plus sa. Unnais. The final one is 20, that is bis. B plus sa becomes bis. So in a summary, ek, duee, teen, char, panch, cha, sat, आठ, नौ, दस, एघार, बाह्र, तेह्र, चौध, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you. I hope this video was useful for you. If you are learning Nepali from my channel from the beginning of the video, please do not forget to make note of it so that you can review later on. And if you have any questions, please do mention in the comment below. And in the next video, I will teach you how to read Nepali numbers from 1 to 100. So please do not forget to give likes and subscribe our channel. Thank you.